Good morning mga besties! So, we are on our day 2 of our project yan. So, eto, document ko lang yung aking 90-day journey para ipakita sa inyo yung ating pagliit ng ating tiyan. So, I'm still on the fasting mode today and naisip ko habang nagpa-fast ako, walking or mag-stretching lang dito sa bahay. Mag-walking sana ako kanina kaso lang maulan ngayon. Maulang Friday. And today is July 10 of 2026. So, document ko lang yung aking journey with the help of our tea and the Fiverr. So, for today, we are currently on my fasting mode and nag-exceed na tayo sa ating 16 hours na fasting. So, ayan. So, lagpas na tayo sa 16 hours. So, magluluto pa ako later after mag-stretching natin. So, ayan. Pinapato ko pa yung ating sinigang doon. So, later, yun yung aming lunch. So, yun yung ating kakainin after ng ating fasting. So, currently, yung ating waistline or ating tiyan is 38. And yung ating kilo, ito, meron ako ditong kiluhan. So, currently, I'm on 70.20. 70.20 yung ating kilo. So, para ma-prolong lang yung aking fast while waiting sa pagtuto ng ating sinigang and while I'm doing my stretching. Magsi-stretch na tayo. So, ang tagal ko na rin hindi nakakapag-stretch or pag-walking, ang tagal na rin. So, active ako sa pickleball, sa walking. Ayun, nagfa-fast din ako noon. Pero, may resulta naman, pero hindi ko siya na-sustain. So, eto talaga yung challenge sa akin ngayon. Yung 90-day, paliitin natin tong ating tummy at yung ating, syempre, ang pinaka-ano pa rin natin talaga, main talaga natin is to have a normal sugar. So, to help me sustain my goal for the 90-day challenge of my project yan. So, nasa day 2 pa lang tayo. I will make my tea muna to prolong my fasting and have an energy pa rin and focus while on the fasting mode. So, later pa tayo kakain pag naluto na yung ating sinigang. And ito lang, napakadali lang na yan. Ilalagay lang natin sa 700 ml na water. So, it depends on to you kung ano yung gusto mong taste dyan. So, this is lemon ginger, yung aking tea for today. So, ayan na, yung ating 700 ml na water. So, isi-shake lang natin to. Shake properly, and this will help prolong our fasting, less cravings, and syempre, meron pa rin tayong energy to work on our everyday task. As a mother, syempre, magluluto pa tayo. And yun na nga, dahil matagal-tagal na rin tayong hindi nakapag-stretching, let's start stretching again. And using this using our yerba mate tea. And maulan ngayon, let's take care. Cheers pala. Ayun lang. So, have a happy Friday and tingnan natin yung ating journey sa ating project chan. And we are on the day 2. And kung gusto nyo rin akong sabayan sa aking 90-day challenge, come with me or join with me. Yan, comment lang kayo dyan. Day 2 sa ating challenge today and for our 90-day challenge. So, ito, malaki-laki pa yung ating tiyan at ito yung ipa-project natin. Yung ating back dyan, malaki din. Yung ating mga fats. Yan, yung ating shoulder, malalaki din. Pero yung project muna natin is yung tiyan at to lower down our HbA1c. And alam ko kasi, pag lumit na tong tiyan ko, to follow yung sugar natin, bababa din. Yung HbA1c natin. So, yun lang! Have a happy Friday!